Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to connect a custom domain to Aweber. If you're new to Aweber, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, log into your Aweber account and navigate to the dashboard. In the bottom left corner, you'll see your account name. Click on it to reveal a menu with different options. Once you're on the My Account page, look for the option labeled Domains and Addresses. Click on that and then scroll down a bit. You should see an option to add a new domain. In the section to add a new domain, enter your custom domain name. After entering your domain, click the Add Domain button to proceed. Next, you will see two important values, the A record and the C name record. Copy these values as you will need to paste them into your website's DNS settings. Go to your domain registrar or hosting provider's website and locate the DNS management section. Paste the A and C name values you copied from Aweber into the appropriate fields in your DNS settings. After adding the values, make sure to click on Add Record or the equivalent option in your DNS management tool. You should see a notification confirming that the DNS record has been added successfully. Once you've completed this process, go back to Aweber and click on Refresh Status. This will allow you to check the current status of your domain connection. It's important to note that updates to your domain can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so be patient if you don't see immediate results. And that's it. You have successfully connected your domain to Aweber. I hope this video helps guide you through the process. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over 80K in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.